No way. That's where Amy's been?
Good to see you. Sonic. Shh. It's okay. There's not a thing you can do, Sonic. Sorcerer Mouse put all your friends to sleep.
Take a look.
Struggle all you like, Sonic, but it's over.
Good night. Good night. It's okay.
How did you do it? How are you awake? Sorcerer Mouse put you to sleep.
You see, this tattoo on my arm keeps me awake for all eternity. I'm immortal. Need some help, pal. Those guys over there are gonna be asleep for a while, so we gotta deal with these guys ourselves.
So be it then.
You really think you can defeat me and Sorcerer Mouse's power? Well then, let's go.
You get the Easter Bunny, I'll get the mouse.
Got it.
Like that, how do you like that?
Need help?
What the heck? How are they not down yet?
Because we play a lot of Fortnite. We're good at this sort of thing.
Want me to end it now?
Yeah, just end them. I don't care about their franchise anymore.
Yeah, I was dead anyway. Even the TV show wasn't that good. You're gonna die? What are you gonna do? You're gonna die?
Is this really the end?
Why? You wanna go first?
No, I'm saying, like, is this really the end? Like, let's talk about this for a second. What is your definition of end?
Oh my god, do not even get me started on this topic. Actually, I've memorized a book I read about this, so let me rehearse everything to it. Chapter 1.
What?
Oh my god. There's Amy.
Oh, hey, that's the title of the video. I see what you did there, Sonic.
Okay, we got this now.
Wait, Knuckles? I thought you were asleep.
Oh yeah, well, we all woke up. Alright, well, let's end this now. No way. Mario was the Easter imposter? Guys, it's like when we win in Among Us. Even the sound played. You've done it now, Sonic. You've done it now. Mario, why did you do all of this? First, you stole Amy, then you started stealing all of my packages, and you posed as the Easter Bunny. You really want to know, Sonic? Well, it's because I need all of the properties in the world. I needed the holidays. I needed the game franchises. I even needed the movies. I recently acquired Pirates of the Caribbean.
Well, that doesn't really explain why you kidnapped Amy.
I mean, I can't really explain it, that one. I guess I just kind of wanted you to see what would happen.
Oh, it's finally over. Hey, look, there's Amy.
Look, Tails, it was clever the first time with Sonic, but honestly, you just need to shut up.
Seriously, like, actually. Actually! Amy, what have you been doing all this time? Have you, like, been unconscious or something?
Oh, well, I was just in that shed for so long, I just fell asleep so many times. Practically hibernation.
Well, why don't we take this inside?
Oh, good idea. Man, what an adventure, guys. Like, let me tell you, that was crazy. I mean, I got like 3 different addresses. I mean, that was probably the highlight of it all.
What is it with you and addresses? Well, I have to admit, it's good to finally be back.
Yeah, I remember like 4 years ago or something, we ordered you off of eBay. Man, that makes me question, why did we have to pay for you?
Oh, Mario just wanted to scam you guys.
What a meanie. The next time I see him, I'm gonna shoot him. Knuckles, you already shot him once. I don't think we need to shoot him again.
Violence is the answer, Knuckles. Shoot him on sight.
Well, what do you guys want to do now?
Well, to be honest, I was thinking we could actually head over to what is Who is clapping?
Oh my god, it's coming from up there.
Good job. I never expected you fools to defeat Super Mario and Walt Disney himself.
Shadow?
Surprised?